Good morning, students. I'm going to show you how to add Lucidpress to your Chrome extension, and then just some things on how to use it so that you know what to do when you start your Mesopotamia flyer. So first thing you're going to do is you should have your cursor up in the search bar, and I need you to type in Chrome extensions, okay? Go to the Google Chrome store, and the application that we're going to use is called Lucidpress, okay? So you're going to type that in up here, and then the Lucidpress free designs, and it looks like this green one, okay? Free graphic design, and we're going to add it to Chrome, okay? And then we're going to say add extension, and then it's showing me that mine is added right up here into this little, like next to my toolbar, if you can see that up here. However, on a different computer I was using, it added it to my Google. So sometimes it'll add it, you see the little Google Apps part, sometimes it'll add it to your down here. So hopefully it just adds to your Chrome extension up top. So now what you're going to do is you're going to click on that one. Okay. I'm going to just encourage everyone to sign up for free, but always just sign in with Google, because that is easy and you don't have to remember anything. Go ahead and go to this $0, so single user sign up. And then I'm just going to go or sign up with and then Google. And I already have an account because I made a flyer earlier this week. But then it's going to take you to this documents page. And you're going to want to pick a flyer template, which there's lots to choose from. So if you just click on here, I don't know. So then there's lots of templates to choose from, okay? I liked using a template because then I just added pictures in and made it my own. So let's just go ahead and choose this suburban open house one, okay? So this is going to be the one that I use. I think my video screen, there we go. Create new. So really, the one thing I want to make sure I show you is how to add photos, because I think that might be the one area where we get a little caught up. So this is what your screen is going to look like, your layout's going to look like. I would go ahead and, so we're doing an open house, right? You're selling property in Mesopotamia. So I would encourage you, when you're looking on the internet, make sure you find pictures that are easy and clear to see, because sometimes that can be a little bit difficult. So if you want to add a photo, okay, you have to come over to this images icon. And for me, I have images already in here because I have already made one. But let's go ahead and search the internet for something related to Mesopotamia. I'm going to do something that's not related to what you guys have to do, but I'm just going to search a ziggurat. I spelled Mesopotamia wrong. That happens. Okay, so then I'm just going to go to the images tab, and let's look at this one. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to right click over on, not like that. I'm going to right click on the photo so that these come up. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to save image as, and then I'm going to have it on my Chrome. So I might rename it, I might not. I'm not going to rename it, but you might want to if you forget, or if you want to know, if you're downloading lots of different photos and you just want to know which image you're looking for. If you did a few because you want to see how it looks, I would probably suggest naming it. So if you go ahead and, this thing keeps getting in my way, if you save it, okay, it's going to download it, and then I'm going to come back. That is a big, so I'm going to come back to my my image, and I'm going to click manage. Okay, and then I'm going to, let's see, upload images. And then I'm going to look in my downloads folder because that's the only thing I have stuff in on this Chromebook. And boom, there's my picture of a ziggurat. I'm going to click open. Okay, it uploads it right into your picture queue. And so this is, let's see, there's the picture that I chose. And if I click insert, okay, it's going to be ready to add it. So if I want to take this picture of this really beautiful house out, I'm just going to hit backspace on my computer, okay? And then I'm going to fit this picture of a ziggurat, okay, right into it, okay? And I might resize it a little bit, whatever you want to do. You know how to move pictures around, but that's just a fun way to just go ahead and make sure you have pictures on your flyer. The other thing that you might want to just be aware of, you know what a text box is if you want to add anything. A lot of this stuff, I would just insert and change it. And then something else that's because it's pretty far away when you're looking at this is the zoom down here in case you want to get in there and type some things. And then when you're typing things, the bar over here pops up just like a Google Doc and has all the things you might need, like bullets, spacing, the size of your font. Remember, you want the people who are reading this to be able to read it fairly easily. Okay, so let's go back to my documents page because I already have, a completed flyer. So I'm going to just open this one really quick because I want to show you how we're going to download this, and then you're going to email the attachment to your teacher. All right, so this is my finished flyer, and so this download, it'll download it as a PDF, a PNG, or a JPEG. I would like you guys to download this as a PDF. So you're going to click download, and then it'll have options. Usually it starts in the PDF option. So that's great because you won't have to change anything. And then you're just going to click next. And then download. Okay, and so then it shows that it's generating the file, and then my final file is generated. So then what you're going to do is you're going to email that to your teacher. So I can't open my email on here, but when you email, you'll click the little icon that looks like a paperclip and upload from your computer. And if you need help with that, you can go ahead and ask your teacher or your parents. They'll probably be able to help you, or we'll be able to do it in class. So hopefully this helps you figure out how to use Lucidpress a little bit.